The first step in cleaning up our geometry on our midsurface is to be able to define an auto-offset midsurface where it is missing. We can go ahead and scroll over to Geometry Edit Tools and click on Midsurface. We can then select the Auto Offset Selected Faces option and zoom into our midsurface. On the left side of our geometry, we can see, through the Transparency tool, that our surface is missing. We can go ahead and select the inside face of our solid and see that our midsurface populates in between faces of our model. Now that we've created the offset midsurface, we want to be able to extend this to the edges of our solid. Let's go ahead and scroll back over to Geometry Edit Tools and click on Vertex Edge Drag. We can then zoom in, select the edge, and drag it out past our solid geometry. Once that is done, we can use the Snap Back feature to snap it back to a face on our model. This creates a smooth, clean-cut edge. We can repeat this process on the other edge of our surface. We can drag it past our solid geometry and then snap it back to the face we need. In this case, the Vertex Edge Drag tool adjusts for the curves on our model. We've successfully created an offset midsurface.